Hello guys, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to show you here about to help you how you can start to make text searchable on the Bluebeam. This is about to help you about how you can start to do this significant thing that is about to be really helping you about what we are going to do and how you can start to see the introduce thing that is going to be introduced through what we are going to have and how we can start to see the significant thing that is going to be already through our opinion about it, as you can understand and see it through our situation. So we are going right now to have here through it. You can see to go to edit, select and select text, or press shift plus T, click and drag the over the desired text, right click on the selected ticket and select search. The search will run automatically, and you can start also to see this kind of thing is over and over the site that you can see it on the website here, and that is all about to help you here on this video.